Hi, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime and Skibidi Toilet as one character. So let's hop right into the lesson. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime and Skibidi Toilet together as one character. So let's do it. I'm going to go right here now, and I'm going to start with kind of the bottom part of, I'm going to start with the middle of the smile of Huggy Wuggy's mouth. Curve out, curve out. And that's the top part of the smile. Okay? Curve up over here around the edge of the mouth. Curve up over here. And I'm going to draw like a U shape right there for connecting these. Right there. It might be tough to do that in a marker, so be careful. Take your time. Be slow about it. We're just here to, if you make mistakes, who cares, right? You're just here to learn, right? And experience. Curve right here. Curve right here. For you remember, it has like a thick lipped area of Huggy Wuggy. And right here, we're kind of using this as a guide, right? You're just trying to, like I said, you're just trying to have fun. All we're doing is having fun here. It doesn't matter if you mess up, you can start over. It's not a big deal. Let's go over here in the mouth. And we're drawing these pretty sharp teeth. It's just triangle shapes aiming downward right now. And Huggy Wuggy's mouth. It's not like a big deal. Up over here, up over here. There we go. Right on. Over here now. Circle for one eye. Over here now. Circle for the other eye. He's got pretty big eyes. And we're going to draw a little curve right here. Curve right here. And what that's doing is it's indicating that the pupil's like giant, right? That's kind of what that's doing. You can put a little highlight there if you want somewhere. And then you fill in the rest. Line over here. Fill it in. Line over here. Okay, so now we're gonna do the fuzzy Wolverine here, right? So you can start from the top or go from the bottom, but we'll go right here, pull down. Right, we can start at the tip right there and slowly pull down over here. Underneath here. See right there? Almost like a comb over kind of thing, combing, whatever. And then we do the other side of that Wolverine like hair, right? That spiky side from one side and the spiky side from the other. All right, doing good so far. And now let's start the toilet part. So we're gonna go right here. We're gonna draw a Skibidi toilet part. Line right there. Up, up. Line down, up. See right there? It's kind of like a toilet bowl, kind of, right? You know what I'm saying? And a lot of this stuff is just straight lines. So, yeah, like I said, just, you go with it. It's just straight lines. It's a straight line across, line up. Very simple. It's like he's coming out of a hole pretty much. Out right here, out right here. Just a bit. Curve right here. Curve right here for the bowl itself. Line out, down, down, and curve out. Line up, curve. All right. Looking decent. Looking decent. We're putting these lines right here just to show the difference in the direction, maybe the shape a little bit. And then these are more like style lines, I guess. So we're going to go right here. We're going to go line out just a bit to see the lid. And then we're going to pull a line upward, and you want to keep track of where that's going, right? And you want to be able to catch it on the other side. So you want to be able to like see that right here and have it try to come out like where you think it would. But keep track of it. Line right there over like a little arch, and it's gonna connect back into here. I'm gonna go over here, circle, 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 right there. And at the bottom around this, we're gonna pull a line out. Well, and you gotta keep track. It's a straight line, straight line. It's gonna be for the tank in the back, right? You want to make sure we have a a good idea for like the tank in the back. Gonna go over here, curve, curve, and we're gonna pull up right there. Over here, same thing, up, and we're gonna draw a line across right there. Curve up, and line across here. Right on. And that'd be the lid of the tank, right? And now we still gotta do a couple more things. We're gonna go over here, we draw a curve right here, down, angled, an angle over here. And it looks like a little pinball thing, but all it is really, it's just the flushing tab, right? And you put like a circle over here. So for additional stuff, we go over here on this side and we draw a line down in. And what that is like a tube in the back, like there's some stuff going on over there. Line over here as well. And in order to make the tube look a little bit different, we put some rivets in it. Like there. Down, up. Down, up. Line, line, line. Same thing on this side. Another tube on this side to give it that whole kind of toilet feel. You could even darken the line just a little bit right here to make it seem like the head is coming forward a little bit. There we go. And line over here, line over here. There we go. And that's it. Thanks so much. And stay here for the next drawing lesson. We're going to go through it. And if you're hearing this right now, that means you saw the whole thing. Say, how's it going in the comment section. And give me a name for this guy, and I'll pin it. I will absolutely pin it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.